Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I am Ashanna, Director of Sadhana Study Circle. I have been teaching mathematics last 26 years. Friends, in this video, I would like to teach you quadratic equations. In this quadratic equations, we are going to learn quadratic equation, quadratic function, root or solution of the quadratic equation, sum of the roots and product of the roots. The quadratic equation whose roots are alpha and beta, discriminant and the nature of the roots. Let us learn one by one. First, quadratic equation. What is a quadratic equation? If ABC are real numbers and a naught is called 0, then ax square plus bx plus c is called a quadratic equation. Let us see once again. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. ABC are real numbers. Here ABC belongs to real numbers and a naught is equal to 0. A is called A is coefficient of x square and b is coefficient of x and c is here b, c is constant term. And ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then y is equal to x square plus bx plus c is called a quadratic function. Quadratic function. Quadratic function y is equal to x square plus bx plus c. Example, y is equal to 2x square plus 3x plus c. Root or solution of the quadratic equation. What is a root or solution of the quadratic equation? The number which satisfy the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is called the root or solution of the quadratic equation. Once again, let us observe. A real number alpha is called a root of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. Here alpha is called root or solution or satisfying the quadratic equation. A quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 has at most two roots. They are alpha is equal to minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. And second one, beta is equal to minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Without finding roots, we can find the sum of the roots and the product of the roots using this formula. The sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. That means that is minus b minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square, and the product of the roots alpha beta is equal to c by a. We already known c is a constant, a is x square coefficient, so that is constant by coefficient of x square. Next, the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha beta. The quadratic equation whose roots are alpha beta is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. That is x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. Example, find the quadratic equation whose roots are 2, 5 is 2 and 5 is x square minus this is alpha, this is beta. 2 plus 3 into x plus 2 into 5 is equal to 0. X square minus 2 plus 3 5, x 2 5s are 10 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation whose roots are 2 and 5. Discriminant. What is discriminant? B square minus 4ac is called discriminant of quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The discriminant tells us the nature of the roots. It is denoted by the letter D. Discriminant D is greater than 0. That is, D discriminant means b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Then the graph is like this. nature of roots, two distinct real roots. Two distinct real roots. We can find these distinct real roots using this formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. In this we have two formulas. One is minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Another one is x is equal to minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. d is equal to 0, that is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, or we can write b square is equal to 4ac. Here also we can write b square greater than 4ac. b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Then the graph is like this. Like left of the y-axis, this is x-axis, x dash, y-axis, y dash, x dash, y dash, x dash, y dash. So in this also same, x dash, y dash, x dash, y dash, x dash, y dash. Just touch the x-axis. Just touch the x-axis. When discriminant is equal to 0, that is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, that is b square is equal to 4ac. Nature of roots. Then the nature of roots, two equal real roots. Two equal real roots. That is x is equal to minus b by 2a. The two roots are equal, that is minus b by 2a. Next, third one, discriminant is less than 0, that is b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that is b square less than 4ac. Then the graph will be like this. X-axis, x dash, y-axis, y dash. Like this, or like this, or like this. X dash, y dash, x dash, y dash. Here no real roots. No real roots. That means imaginary roots. Imaginary roots. There are no real roots, but imaginary roots we will learn in higher classes about imaginary roots. We can't find in this class imaginary roots. Friends, I think you understood each and every concept about quadratic equation, what we learnt in this video. If there is any doubt, you may write in my comment box. I will clear your doubt. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get my latest updates. And also share it to your friends to help them and encourage for me to make more interesting videos.